Imagine you're an astronaut, floating in the vast silence of space. You're watching the most dazzling light show of stars and galaxies, but there's something missing. You can see, but you can't hear. Have you ever wondered why space is silent? Why can't sound travel through space, and what would happen if it could? Let's dive into this fascinating mystery. Sound is such a huge part of life on Earth. From the rustling of leaves to the roar of thunder, it's how we connect, react, and even survive. But when it comes to space, the final frontier, things get eerily quiet. Space doesn't work the same way as our planet, and it all comes down to one key factor: medium. You see, sound is actually a form of energy that travels through vibrations. When you speak, your vocal cords create waves that move through the air, reaching another person's ear. On Earth, we have a medium everywhere, like air, water, or even solid surfaces, that carries these vibrations. But space is different. It's a vacuum, which means there's essentially nothing there. No air, no water, and no solid surfaces to carry sound waves. So, what does this vacuum mean for sound? Well, without particles to bump into each other and transfer the sound energy, sound simply can't travel. Imagine trying to shout across an empty football field with no one around, no air, and no ground. The energy of your voice would just dissipate, going nowhere. But here's something interesting. Astronauts do hear sounds in space, but not from the stars or galaxies around them. They hear sounds through solid conduction. Inside the space station, sound travels through the structure itself. So, if two astronauts are inside a space capsule, they can talk to each other as long as the sound vibrations travel through the walls of the spacecraft. But step outside into open space, absolute silence. Now, let's play with an interesting thought experiment. What if sound could travel through space? What would it be like? It's believed that if sound could move freely, space would be chaotic and overwhelmingly loud. Imagine the sounds of stars burning, planets moving, and black holes swallowing matter, like a cosmic orchestra of thunderous, unimaginable noises. Earth's atmosphere acts like a blanket, keeping these sounds away and allowing us to experience space with only its stunning visuals. So the next time you think about space, remember that its silence is more than just an absence of sound. It's a reminder of how unique our Earth is, with all the perfect ingredients that allow us to see, hear, and understand the universe in ways that no other place can. In space, silence isn't just golden, it's universal. If you enjoyed unraveling this cosmic mystery, be sure to like and subscribe for more mind-bending space content. There's always more to discover in the quiet depths of the universe.